In this video, I'm gonna show you step by step how we made $127,710 in commission just by promoting affiliate links on Pinterest. Okay, I'm gonna share with you guys a new affiliate link that you should start promoting on Pinterest for beginners. I'm gonna share with you guys step by step how you can join Fiverr affiliates, and I'm gonna share with you my method step by step for free. Okay, let's get started. So I started this business from December 2021 until today. I'm still promoting affiliate links on Pinterest, social media, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, and so much more. In today's video, I will share with you my method with Pinterest. Okay, make sure to watch this video until the end if you want to start making some commission like this, because it's for free. You don't need to invest any money. You can just use free traffic from Pinterest. Okay, so let's get started. So for people who will ask why it's showing $0 in my balance, because I withdraw all my money to my PayPal account. If you started this business, when you will withdraw your money, it will show $0 in your balance. And right now, I don't have any commission yet. Okay, so anyways, so for people who want to start making some money and start affiliate marketing with Fiverr, go to Google, search for Fiverr, click on the first link over here, and you just need to sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page, and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. Okay, what you need to do next, you just need to come to this page and you need to scroll down. Keep scrolling down, go to community and click over here on affiliates. Okay, and it's gonna take you to this Fiverr affiliate website. As you can see, you can check this website so you can get idea about how much you will earn for each service. They are really paying a good commission for each service. Okay, you can make a lot of money with Fiverr affiliate. It's really easy. Okay, so what you will do, click on join now. Okay, and it's gonna take you to this sign up process page. And as you can see, the sign up process to Fiverr affiliate program is super easy and simple. Put your first name, your last name, your email address, username, your password, account type, make it private. Scroll down. Do you have a main source of traffic? You can say yes or no. Choose your country, choose your language. If you have Skype, you can put your Skype here. If you don't have Skype, that's fine. Just click on next, answer next few questions, and that's it. It's super easy. As you can see, after you finish, this will be your home page, and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliate. Okay, what you need to do next, you need to go back to Google and you need to search for Pinterest. Okay, we will use Pinterest to promote our affiliate links for free. Okay, of course, for free. Click on the first link, make sure to open a Pinterest business account, because we need business account, not personal account. You need to open business account. After you finish, this will be your home page, and you should have an account like this one with Pinterest. Okay, so why I choose Pinterest? If we click over here, let me show you. I have this extension that show me how uh, visitors, how many visitors are using Pinterest, how many people are using Pinterest. And as you can see over here, Pinterest has 1 billion monthly visitor. Okay, this is the category rank. It's ranking number 9, and in United States it's country rank, it's 24. Okay, 1 billion monthly visitor. Okay, you know what I'm talking about. That's a lot of traffic for free. You can use Pinterest to get so much traffic to your affiliate links and earn commission. Okay, anyways, so after you finish creating your Pinterest business account, go back to your home page on Fiverr. Okay, and I'm gonna share with you right now a profitable service that I was promoting on Pinterest to earn commission. Click on the search over here, Etsy, search for Etsy promotion. Okay, so why I choose this service? Because a lot of people who has Etsy stores, they are using Pinterest to promote their Etsy stores, to get sales and get to promote their products and increase sales and make more money. Okay, so those people who are using Pinterest to promote their Etsy stores, they will be interested to buy this service from your affiliate link, so they will be interested to increase sales and get and make more money. Okay, so it's like it's win-win. Okay, they will be interested, they will buy this service, I will earn commission because this service will help them to increase sales. Okay, and that's it. Search for Etsy promotion, scroll down. So I need you to pay attention in this step. Okay, make sure to choose good sellers. Choose like level 1 seller, level 2 seller, top rated seller, sellers who has a lot of reviews. If people click on your affiliate link, they find those sellers are good sellers, they will buy this service from your affiliate link and you will earn commission. Okay, so I'm gonna choose, okay, let me see this one. I will promote your Etsy shop radio. This one has 5 star, a lot of reviews. Okay, anyway, so this one level 2. I will do Etsy shop digital products, Etsy SEO Shopify. I will Etsy shop promotion. Okay, I think this one is really good. This one is good. So let me see. If we scroll down, I will do Etsy shop promotion. This one also looks good. Level 1 seller. This one is good. This one has a lot of reviews, and his service is just for it's just for starting from $10, so people can give it a try, people can buy this service. Okay, this one is level 2 seller. I will click on his service. Okay, you will be directly in his Fiverr profile page. What you need to do next, you need to copy his profile link. So just copy his profile link, go back to your Fiverr affiliate account, click on marketing tools, click on default and deep links. You will be directly in this page. Click over here and put your put this profile seller link here. Click over here again, and here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. Okay, what you need to do next, you just need to promote this affiliate link on Pinterest. Let's go to Pinterest. Go back to your Pinterest homepage, click on home feed, click on create pin, and you will be directly in this page. So what you will do next, you will go back to this seller profile page on Fiverr. Okay, scroll down, click on his picture, upload this picture to your laptop, double click, save image. Okay, I'm gonna name it Etsy. I will go back to Pinterest, click over here, click on Etsy, upload your picture, select your picture, open, and here you go. Scroll down, you need to put here title. Okay, go back to this seller profile page and copy his title. Okay, like this. Go back to Pinterest, put this title over here, description, go back to this seller profile page, scroll down. So just keep scrolling down. Let me see. So over here you see about this gig. This is his description. Click over here on more, and this is his description. Okay, so what you will do, you will copy this description. I will copy this part. So let me, even if you have, I'm gonna copy this one. This one is good, how it works. Okay, so this description explain this service. I will copy this part. So I'm showing you the method. Make sure to give it a time to create like good. If you want, you can add create description using those get idea from. So for example, you can get idea from this description and you can create your own description if you want. If you don't want, just it's easy, just copy this one and use it. Okay, put your description here, scroll down. You need to put here your affiliate link. Go back to your Fiverr affiliate account, copy your affiliate link from here, go back to Pinterest, put your affiliate link here like this, scroll down, click on choose a board, okay, and click on create a board, and you can create as many as you want. Okay, I already have a lot. You just need to give it a name. I'm gonna choose this one, scroll down, and you need to put here tags, okay, keyword related to your service, okay, to this service that you are promoting. So what you will do, you will go back to this seller profile page, you will scroll down, keep scrolling down, and you should see related tags. Okay, those are the keyword that you should use. Okay, copy those keywords, go to Pinterest and put those keywords here. Okay, like this. Let's see promotion. I will go back to Pinterest, put those keywords here. After you finish, click on publish, and here you go. You just published your first Fiverr affiliate link. This is your picture, this is your affiliate link, this is your title, and this is your description. Okay, so that's how we can promote affiliate links on Pinterest. It's super easy and simple. So you can start this business with $0. You don't need to invest any money. Pinterest has 1 billion monthly visitors. You just need to stay consistent. If you have a new Pinterest account, make sure to promote just between 1 and 2 affiliate links per day. If you start promoting a lot of affiliate links per day with a new account, you will get banned. Okay, your account will be banned. Okay, so make sure to start just step by step, just warm your account. Okay, so after a few months, then you can start publishing a lot of affiliate links. So for commission, for people who will ask how much time will take you to earn your first commission, it's depending on your work, okay, and it's depending on which services are you promoting. Okay, a lot of people, they just go to Fiverr, they choose random services. That's not working. You will never get commission like this. You need to choose specific and uh, trending services that people are searching for on Pinterest. Okay, so if you want to start, if you are interested to start this business, make sure to subscribe to this channel, because I will share with you a lot of profitable services that will get you commission if you stay consistent. Okay, thank you so much for watching. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and see you in my next videos.